In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate percentage of total in Microsoft Excel. If you want to see how much each value contributes to an overall total, Excel makes that very simple. In this example, we're calculating each employee's sales as a percentage of the total sales, but the same method works for budgets, expenses, quantities, and many other types of data. To begin, click on the first cell where you want the total percentage to appear. This should be the cell next to the first sales value you want to calculate. Starting in the correct output cell is important because this is where Excel will place the formula and show the result. Next, type an equals sign. In Excel, every formula starts with an equals sign, so this tells the program that you're about to perform a calculation rather than enter plain text. After that, click on the first employee sales value, then type the divide symbol, which is a /. This creates the first part of the formula. You're telling Excel to take that employee's sales amount and divide it by the full total. That's exactly how percentages of a total are calculated. Now click on the total sales cell. At this point, your formula compares the individual sales number to the overall total sales number. This is the core calculation that gives you the share of the total. Before finishing, press F4 on your keyboard, then press Enter. Pressing F4 changes the total sales reference into an absolute reference, which locks that cell in place. This is very helpful if you plan to copy the formula down for the rest of the list, because the employee sales reference should change row by row, but the total sales cell should stay the same. Once you press Enter, Excel will calculate the result. If the result doesn't appear as a percentage right away, simply click the percentage format option. Excel may show the answer as a decimal at first, such as 0.25 instead of 25%. Applying the percentage format converts it into a more readable form. And that's it. You've now calculated the percentage of total in Microsoft Excel. Just remember the basic idea. Individual value divided by total value, then format the result as a percentage if needed. This is one of the most useful Excel formulas to know, especially when you're working with reports or performance data.